I want to bring up that we need a policy to use the use of legal counsel. Because this,
No.
you can leave if you want, Mr. Faber. This afternoon, I get an email from the attorney, and it has a guidance of memorandum that I later find out was given to Chairman Dunn from the town manager earlier in the day. It was Chair Dunn requested to provide the town council with guidance. When I got this, I looked at it, and there was no legal opinion or anything on it. So I reached out to the attorney, and I asked. So I got the guidance memorandum. Did Ron ask you to give the council a legal opinion on this, or just send us a copy of the memorandum that Ron was given by the town manager? The response was, another councilor asked a similar question about context, and I will send out an answer to the town council. Okay. Later I get a response. Chairman Dunn shared this guidance memorandum with me for my review. I still don't see a review. I don't know why we had to pay an attorney to send this out when this document could have easily been sent out by the staff to the council. So to me, I look at this as a complete waste of taxpayers' money. All right. The chairman is using the legal counsel as a personal secretary to send things out to the council members. I read the guidance memorandum, and I don't need an attorney to explain it to me. It is very clear. How much is this back and forth costing the taxpayers? This use of legal counsel needs to be addressed, and we need a policy in place because this is out of control. If the attorney says something, and one of the...
I know.
What would you like to share?
Continue.
So if the attorney says something, and one of the three of you don't like the response, it's like, okay, let's get a second opinion. And then the second opinion comes in, and yeah, they agree with the other attorney. I recall a town meeting when a question was asked of the moderator, who was an attorney at the time. And he said, you can ask the same question of 6 attorneys. They'll all have different opinions. So therefore, I make a motion that we have TC 105, use of legal counsel, that we all have a draft of to be placed on the agenda for June 1, 2026 town council meeting, so we can put things in place and stop wasting money.
Did you make a motion?
I did. That's my
I'll
motion.
second it.
Okay, I have a motion from Dan and a second from Deb.
Can
Any
I-
further discussion?
Okay, I can discuss?
Yeah.
So talking about wasting
So we
lawyer
table
money.
this. Can
I
we
know.
discuss it? Because that's half of it. Because otherwise you just remake a motion to get discussion, even though you can't discuss a table motion, and that doesn't work.
So
out.
it has to come off the table before we can
Yeah.
discuss it. That's
Yeah.
true. That's a good point, actually. So it does have to come out, right now it's on the table, it has to come off the table before it can be discussed.
So what you're saying, I get really frustrated with this, Ron. I'll tell you, because I talked to the chair of the school board.
You're discussing
and-
it right now.
and-
If you want to continue in violation of the law, feel free.
Point of
Okay.
order. Mr. Mulholland, is this in violation of the law if we talk about
The
this
chairman
motion?
is allowing public, is
Yeah.
comment from members of the council. He can continue to do that.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Chair,
It's table.
You're not the chair, Sean.
Good, then,
who's running the meeting? Is it you or him?
go ahead. I just want to.
Okay. So, the use of legal counsel here is really out of control, because I look at the school board, how they operate, okay? And if the chair of the school board is to contact legal counsel, he get a consensus and he talks to all his board members. We don't get that. We don't even know. I mean, when I got this, and I'm like, okay, so you got this memorandum from the town manager. You gave it to the attorney. I can't wait to see what this bill is going to be like. To get that memorandum out to all of us. When, I don't know, did you ask the town manager to say, can you send this memorandum to all the council members so we can get it? They can get it. All right? And I know this is, you tabled this, you table everything. You move everything down the road. This community is not being served properly by this council. It is a shame that we are just kicking the can down the road and we're ignoring to address issues that we need to address.
Okay. All right, Dan said his piece.
But I didn't.
Okay, but I think it is a table, it is,
Well, I'll make a motion that we bring this back up because I can take it off the table. I'll make a motion that we take it off the table and we discuss this use of legal counsel.
Second.
okay, so we have a motion from Dan and a second from Deb to take it off the table.
For discussion.
Any further discussion?
Yes.
Yeah.
All those in favor?
It's not a discussion.
I know. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed?
Opposed.
Chair says no. Thank you.
Surprise,
All right.
surprise.